How many terms of the AP? "24, 21, 18, and so on must be taken so that their sum is 78. Now the solution.
On the screen share from the top.
A is equal to how much? 24. That is the initial term. D, what is D? The difference between the second term and first term. So 21 minus 24.
Minus 3.
Yes, minus 3. And what is the sum? That is Sn, 78. What is asked? How many terms? That is n is equal to what? So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let us substitute Sn by 78 and n by 2. We do not know n, so let us put n by 2. 2a is 24. So 2 into 24 plus, we do not know n, then minus 1 into, the difference is minus 3. Now let us expand. 2 can be brought here. So 2 into 78, 186, 156. So n into, this is 48. And let us expand this. So minus
3n plus 1.
3n plus 1. So 156 is equal to, let us multiply n inside. So 48n, and this is minus 3n. So minus 3n squared, and minus plus into plus plus. So 1 n, that is n. Are you able to follow? So 48 plus 9, 48 plus 1n, how much?
49.
So 49n minus 3n squared is equal to 156. We can bring everything this side. So 3n squared minus becomes plus. Then minus plus 49 becomes minus 49n and plus 156 is equal to 0. So we have got the quadratic equation. You please check whether it's correct. We had to put plus 3. Minus 3 into 1 plus 3. Is it not? So it becomes plus 3n. So it becomes 51n. So this is please correct it. So 3n squared minus 51n plus 156. Okay, you have to be very careful. Now we can split this by adopting the splitting the middle term. Factorization technique can be adopted. So what is the quadratic equation? 3n squared minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. So 156, let us factorize. 7 2s are 8, 78 and 2. So 3 2s are 6, then 9. And then 3, so 13, is it not? So how we can go? 3 4s are 12, we should, 2, that's all. So we should be able to get, and I think that is, we should multiply this 156. Okay, so 3 into 156. So overall, we have already factorized this one. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, and you can include this 3. Okay, so on adding we should be able to get 51. On multiplication we should be able to get 3 into 56. So how we can go about? Can we try? Otherwise we can do one thing. We can divide, because 5 plus 1 6. Better you can divide by 3 also, so that we can further simplify it. Is it not? So n squared minus 17n plus, and what about this? 5 3s are 15, 2 3s are okay 6. So that is equal to 0. Now let us factorize 52. So 52 means 26 and 2 13. So how we can get 13 plus 4, is it not? So we can split this into 13 minus 13 minus 4, so that you are able to get 52 plus 52. On adding you are able to get 17. Got it? So n squared minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. Then we can take n outside the bracket, being the GCD. So n minus 13, and what about this? Minus 4 can be taken, so n minus 13 again is equal to 0. So n minus 13 can be taken outside the bracket, so the remaining is n minus 4 is equal to 0. It means n minus 3 may be 0 or n minus 4 may be 0. So n is equal to 3, here n is equal to 4.
Sir, n minus 13, sir.
13, sorry. So n can be 13 or n can be 4. Okay. So the values of n admissible are 4 or 13. Okay. So the total number of terms may be either 4 or 13. So this is the answer. Okay.